Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can log in into our old TikTok account. So whether you have forgotten your login details or haven't used it in a while, we'll show you the easiest way to regain access step by step. Second, open up the TikTok app or the website. For now, I'm gonna use a website. You can even use the app if for easier access. Second, let me just head over to tiktok.com for this one right here. And then once you're back here, you can go over to your login page. Go to the profile option, tap on it. And once you find the profile option, TikTok will let you log in here. So tap on login on the login page. And when you do, TikTok will let you log in with different options available. So you can find phone number, email, username, Facebook, Google, Apple, etc. Those kind of social accounts. So you can enter your account details, your email address, phone number, or username associated with your account. So for that, tap on use phone, email, or username. After that, here, just go ahead and enter up your phone number or your email or username. After that, tap on login and you will be directed to log in with your password. Just go ahead and enter it up and do so. If you have forgotten your password, you can even look out for forgot password option, but you can just go ahead and follow up the process to reset your password and regain access. And that's it. Once you are logged in, you will be having access to everything on your TikTok. Let me just show you. You will be finding the home page like this here on your screen with all of the videos available. You may look out for the videos and that should help you out. So there are a bunch of other options available such as home, discover, inbox where your friends will send you a message, and your profile where you can access your profile information and everything. So that is it for today's guide. By following up these steps, you should be able to log in into your old TikTok account easily. So if this tutorial helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.